Hello, this is Mark Smith, and thanks for taking this short time out of your day. Very quickly, National Credit Associates will remove all negative or derogatory credit permanently and legally, or we will pay you $10,000. Now that's a guarantee. Visit us at nationalcredit10000.com or www.diversifiedconcepts.net. That includes all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. Visit us nationalcredit10000.com. We'll 100% permanently remove all negative credit items from your credit reports. Call us 815-528-5441. It's 100% legal. It gets done. Who are you going to trust? Give me a call. Go to my website. Find out. Again, that's www.nationalcredit10000.com. We've been in business for 3 years. Do an internet search on National Credit Associates. You will not find any negative reports on us. This is real. This gets done. Do it right. This is the way to go, and it's very inexpensive. Thanks. Have a good day.